Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to book a Ryanair flight by choosing the flights that work best for you. This process is straightforward and will help you secure your travel plans quickly and efficiently. First, open a web browser on your device and navigate to the official Ryanair website by typing www.ryanair.com into the address bar. Once the homepage loads, you'll immediately see the flight search interface prominently displayed in the center of the screen. This is where you'll begin building your booking. In the search bar, locate the From field and type in your departure airport. This could be the city name or airport code, whichever you prefer. Next, move to the To field and enter your destination airport. These two fields establish the route for your journey. Now it's time to select your travel dates. Click on the departure date field to bring up a calendar and choose the day you want to fly out. If you're booking a round trip, click the return date field as well and select when you'd like to come back. This ensures Ryanair shows you flights that match your schedule. After setting your dates, click on the Passengers field to specify how many people will be traveling. You can adjust the number of adults, children, and infants as needed. Once you've entered all your search criteria, click the yellow search button. This will generate a list of available flights that match your requirements. You'll now see a range of flight options displayed with their corresponding prices and departure times. Take a moment to browse through these options and compare them based on what matters most to you, whether that's price, timing, or convenience. When you've found the flight you want for your departure, click the Select button next to it. If you're booking a return flight, repeat this process for your journey back. Once both flights are selected, you'll be taken to a summary page where you can review your choices. Double-check the dates, times, and route to make sure everything is correct, then click Continue or Next to proceed. The next screen will ask you to enter passenger details. Fill in the required fields including full name, date of birth, and contact information for each traveler. Accuracy here is crucial as these details must match your travel documents. After entering passenger information, you'll have the option to add extras such as seat reservations, additional baggage, or priority boarding. Select any add-ons you'd like, then click Continue to move forward. Finally, enter your payment details on the checkout page and click the button to finalize your booking. Your confirmation will be sent to the email address you provided. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.